So the unboxing knife, it's full of stickiness. It's full of stickiness from all the tape. From all the tape. Here we go, boys and girls. I just came home and there's a package on my front door from 420 9th Avenue, New York, New York. That's right, B&H Photo up in New York City sent me a package and I can't wait to find out what's inside. Hey guys, Aaron here again for the love of tech. Super excited. I don't know. Yesterday I was excited. Today I'm like, it's a bonus day. Bonus unboxing day. What is inside? What did I order? Do I remember? I don't know. I ordered so many goodies. Some of them are in stock, some of them are out of stock. Chances are I know exactly what this is, and it wasn't in stock because it wasn't available yet. Now it is, and I pre-ordered it right away, so they sent it to me. Let's see what it is! Let's see what it is! My heart just sank. I know what it is. Wasn't expecting this today. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. All right, we got it. We pull it together. Guys! Oh, here, look. Look at what it is. Oh my gosh. Look at that! Do you see it's the Ronin-S? And they sent me a plastic bag. It's supposed to be air in it and it's empty. Where's my air? Someone ripped me off. Oh, this thing's heavy. Oh, it's got a handle. Woo! Oh! Guys, this is like, there's gonna be like a drone box inside, like what my drone comes in, that's what's gonna be in here. This is just, oh my god, look at this, look at how beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's a gimbal, but it's not like a normal gimbal. It's like an amazing gimbal. It's, if you have a gimbal and you see my gimbal, you're like, yo, that's a pretty sweet gimbal. And I'm like, I know. That's what this is. This is the gimbal that makes everyone want your gimbal. How do we do this? I had to get ready. Gorgeous. This is phenomenal. Alright guys, did a quick little set change. Here is my Sony A7III. This is what I'm normally shooting on. Now we're on the A6500. Nothing wrong with that camera at all. It's phenomenal. Here's the packaging slip. We are looking at a price of $6.99 for this guy. 699 bucks, just to give you an idea. Are you ready? This is it. In all of its goodness and glory. Look how nice they fit that in there. This is the charging brick. It's amazing. lens slider. Oh my god, this feels amazing. We've got this little guy, little container inside here, some more stuff, some bolts, some screws, some charging cable, couple charging cables, some very specific charging cables. See that, guys? You don't get those in the store. Put off to the side for now. The handle. It's pretty legit, pretty hefty. It's a pretty hefty handle, guys. This is some quality stuff. Oh, gentle. I'm like so paranoid taking this out. I'm like, how does it come? Oh, this is it though. Oh wow. So this guy here connects to the handle, no doubt. Oh, like money. Wow. Lock it in. Nice. then you gotta get it back in. But like all DJI things, after you learn how to do it, it's usually pretty easy. Okay, so this is a stand for your gimbal. Wow, this is nice. So you just put it on there, connect it. Probably watches your face. Oh, guys, I mean, I'm gonna have a hard time not setting this up right now because I'm just so excited. I wonder if it came with a charge. I wonder if we can get in there a little bit and actually do something. Oh boy, oh, guys, we gotta get in there. I can't not, right? Let me just put it, I can't not play with this right now. We're gonna play with it, guys. I don't know what else to do. Found the instructions. Oh, you thought I just knew how to put this together? Okay. We're doing it. Quick start guide is what I need in my life. Download DJI Ronin app. Watch the tutorials. I'll be right back. All right, we are back. We got it set up. Here is the cord that came with it. Now, both of these cords fit the camera. This is the USB-C. This is the multi-port. However, I'm still not able to get it to do anything. More research is needed. I wanted to get back on camera with you guys, which is what I'm doing right now. So I've been having this thing charged through my beefy battery pack here. Didn't plug it into the wall. But I wanted to just go through some of the quick little features that I've discovered on this. So let's go ahead and get this turned on movie mode. Okay. So here we are. We've got our Ronin. We're chilling, right? You see this. Sorry. Stepping on my carbon fiber 1+6 case. Now, and all of a sudden you're like taking videos. You're like, hey guys, what's going on? That's right. And then you stop. You're like, whoa. And you start panning, going back and forth, going down, going up. You're going all over the place. This thing's amazing, right? Now, it's heavy. And you put it back down, and you go, boom, twice. And it goes back to its home. Then you're like, you're videotaping, you're recording somebody. You know what the videotapes these days. You're recording something, you're like gimbaling all over the place, and then something cool happens and you gotta say something to the camera, and you're like, pow, 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 and the camera turns around, and it's like, it's on you. That's what it does. It turns around, and now I'm talking to the camera. And you can be like, wha-pow, wha-pow, wha-pow. Go back around. You go pow, 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 twice, and it goes back home. It goes to the center, and you can turn around. Here's the thing about this. It goes all the way around. It doesn't like go and then be like and stop. It goes all the way around. Now, I got my slider, right? I have my slider, and that cost me like $1,200. And I'm thinking to myself right here, I'm thinking to myself, what? I'm a little wobbly. Let's get back home. Okay, we have to get back home. Did you see that? But do I still need my slider if I can be like, nice zoom, nice smooth settings, smooth movements? We don't gotta get anything crazy, nothing insane. This thing is phenomenal. Did you see the nice smooth settings? And then you go boom, right back to center, and center is with the trigger. That's center. This thing, it's like, I'm gonna be doing video on it for like ever. Now I'm pretty sure, right? I'm pretty sure you can take this and you can mount it on a tripod. This is a little add-on down here. You just untwist it, right? That's all it is. It's a little add-on. This can go on your tripod, right? I got the Manfrotto. I don't know what you got. You probably got the Manfrotto too. And it serves as an extra handle, like this. So you got an extra handle, because this guy's heavy. He's really heavy, right? Now here it is. Oh, it's heavy. Here it is. And you're like, wapow, wapow, wapow. I'm taking amazing footage right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking amazing smooth footage. And the thing is as you do this, it's such a smooth movement. So smooth. Back to home. We're back home, right? Well, we're in vlogging position. Now we're going back home. This is just some of the little things I wanted to share with you guys today. And it took me a second to set it up. I had to do some research. The battery's not fully charged, so I can tell that it's stressing a little bit. I can tell there's a little bit of stress going on. But I'm going to shoot some really nice smooth footage, and I'm going to show you guys how smooth this footage is. I'm going to actually put the footage right here into the video. So it's like, you got to stay smooth with it. And when you do it, it's so nice. It's such a nice fluid movement. Nice and it's, I have a button. I have a physical button now, whereas compared to my slider, I only have the iPhone or the Pixel controls with the it's a little wobbly there. The battery's about to die on this thing. I think that's why it's stressing on me right now. I'm gonna do more testing, more excitement, more fun with this thing. I'm gonna share it with you. The excitement I had coming into this is just as much as I had right now, because I'm looking at this thing and I'm like, the possibilities on it are just gonna keep coming, right? I mean, I can have it set up over here. I can put one of my other 3 cameras on it, right? It doesn't have to be my Sony A7III. I can put my A65. I can put my Nikon 5200. I can do all sorts of stuff, right? It's like the creativity with this thing is just flowing, and that's my point. If you're a creator, is this worth the money? Do you need to spend this kind of money on this device? That's the question. I think the answer is yes. That's what I think. For the love of tech, brought it to you. This is a fresh unboxing. It is a new product. All the big YouTubers got it. I think I did pretty good. I got in there, I scooped it, I got it on the pre-order, and I'm one of the first people within my peers that I know that has it, and I'm pretty excited about that. Now, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up. And For the Love of Tech is always doing another giveaway. That's right. Another giveaway in October. What are we doing in October? I'm not sure, but you know from my past giveaways, it's gonna be legit. In addition to that, we're launching a new live show every single, once a week. For the rest of this month, it's going to be every single Thursday, 7:30 p.m., me and my buddy Leo over at Android Stud. If you want to get in an exclusive giveaway opportunity, check out the live event. There's going to be a special giveaway launched just for the people who are coming to our live event and checking in with us every single week. For the love of tech, go in your drawers, go in your cabinets, go deep underneath your bed, find those old electronics that no one's using, dust them off, wipe them off, clean them up, charge them up, and give them to someone who doesn't have them. Put a smile on someone's face. That's what it's all about. If you want additional entries into the giveaway, you got to take this video right here, share it on social media, give me a screenshot, multiple screenshots, multiple social media shares, one email, Aaron, ARON, at the number 4, theloveoftech.com. Give me a Roman numerals 8026. You heard me, 8026 dash. Leave me a comment and tell me, what would you do with the Ronin-S if you had it for a day? For the love of tech, namaste.